Video 16. Once you discover the benefits of okra, you will be blown away. Today's recipe is a must, and if you're like me who loves okra, then you can't miss today's tip. You'll love it for sure. And tell me how far you got with these videos, and from which place you're watching me now to send you a big kiss. Also tell me if you like okra, and if you prefer it stewed, fried, or even tried the juice of it, because I started using okra, so it happened to my health. In today's video, we will talk about okra, and the benefits it has to offer us. I love okra. Do you? If you don't like it, I'm sure that today's video will give you a different opinion about it, and you will never let it be missing in your house again. Guys, comment on which city you are watching so I can send you a hug. And I'll take the opportunity to pass on a message from Matthew 19:6. So they are no longer two, but one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no one separate. Marriage is no joke, and the spouse should not be treated as disposable. Whenever possible, both of you should strive to maintain the bond of marriage, leaving divorce only for serious situations, such as adultery. Reflect on this message, and meanwhile I will continue the video. The okra, even being of African origin, is very present here in Brazil, especially in some specific dishes like chicken with okra, and there are some people who do not like okra because of its slime, but few know that it is in that slime that has most of its properties, not to mention that there's a way to prepare okra that reduces that slime and leaves its properties intact. Even though okra is not preferred by many people, it should not be left out, because 1 cup of raw or cooked okra can provide about 20% of the daily intake of folic acid, vitamin B12, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. Okra still has high amounts of magnesium, vitamin A, potassium, calcium, iron, protein and carbohydrates, and with all this it becomes great for our gastrointestinal system. It prevents the increase of bacteria that can harm our intestines and stomach. It is a bacteria that spreads through the digestive system, causing gastric inflammation, and can affect both the intestinal wall and the stomach network. It is installed can cause more serious complications such as ulcer. In addition, a study has shown that okra helps speed up digestion, and also helps considerably decrease the time it takes the digestive system to empty. Okra is also high in fiber, which causes a mild laxative action, meaning that by eating okra every day you will most likely go to the bathroom at least twice a day. Recently many people claimed that the okra treatment that would give an end to diabetes. Because of this many speculations and questionings arose, but this was soon tested and proved that okra can indeed help lower blood sugar levels, and this because of its already mentioned high amount of fiber. This makes it very effective in regulating blood sugar levels, which can help a lot to maintain the health of many people suffering from diabetes. Okra has also been proven to help prevent kidney diseases that diabetics are more susceptible to developing. I hope you liked it. I will stop here. See you in the next video. Bye.